What if I told you that Bitcoin could soon be as easy to invest in as a share of Apple? The buzz around Bitcoin ETFs is reaching a fever pitch, and it could revolutionize how everyday investors access cryptocurrency. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are investment funds that track the price of Bitcoin. They allow investors to buy and sell shares on traditional stock exchanges, making crypto investment more accessible than ever. Unlike buying Bitcoin directly, which requires navigating wallets and exchanges, an ETF simplifies the process. Imagine just picking up a Bitcoin ETF the same way you would buy a stock or an index fund. Currently, the status of Bitcoin ETF approvals is a hot topic. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has been meticulous in its reviews. Over the past few years, numerous applications have been submitted, but many have faced rejections. Concerns about market manipulation, investor protection, and overall market maturity have held back approvals. The SEC wants to ensure that the market is stable before allowing ETFs to flourish. But the tide is changing. Recently, several major financial institutions have reapplied for Bitcoin ETFs, and optimism is on the rise. Companies like BlackRock and Fidelity have redefined the landscape. Their involvement signals a shift, suggesting that regulators may be ready to embrace Bitcoin ETFs more fully. The market is watching closely, as the approval of a Bitcoin ETF could pave the way for a surge of institutional investment. Consider this: if a Bitcoin ETF receives approval, it opens the floodgates for trillions of dollars in institutional money. Imagine pension funds, mutual funds, and retail investors flocking to a regulated and straightforward way to gain exposure to Bitcoin. This could significantly increase Bitcoin's price and stability, transforming it from a speculative asset into a recognized investment vehicle. But how does this impact you? If you're someone who's been hesitant to dive into the cryptocurrency market, a Bitcoin ETF could be your gateway. It reduces the technical barriers and potential risks associated with buying Bitcoin directly. You wouldn't need to worry about securing a digital wallet or the complexities of private keys. Instead, you could simply buy shares through your brokerage account. Still, it's essential to remember that investing in Bitcoin carries risks. Bitcoin's price is notoriously volatile. Always do your research. As we look ahead, the fate of Bitcoin ETFs hangs in the balance. Will the SEC approve these applications and embrace the future of finance? The world is changing, and so is the way we think about money. Bitcoin ETFs could represent more than just an investment opportunity. Keep your eyes on the developments. The future of Bitcoin ETFs is unfolding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.